आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, in this question we have to evaluate the limit n tends to infinity n factorial over n raised to power n whole raised to power 1 by n. So let's start. Let's assume that this is equal to L. L is equal to limit n tends to infinity and we have n factorial divided by n raised to power n whole raised to power 1 by n. So now we know that n factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 and so on till n, and n raised to power n is equal to n into n into n into n so on till there are n n's, so whole raised to power 1 by n. So now taking log both sides, if we take log both sides, what do we get? Log of L equal to log of whole of this. So in the next step, the power 1 by n can be brought down before the log, like this. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n into log, and we will separate the terms now here. So we have 1 by n plus log of 2 by n plus log of 3 by n and so on till we have log of n by n. Now this whole thing can be written as log of L is equal to, this can be written as limit n tends to infinity sum of when r is 1 and r is equal to n. So we can write log r by n. So now here we can convert it into a definite integral. For doing that, first we have to put r by n is equal to x. So now here see, if r is equal to 1, x becomes 0 because 1 by n is infinity, and when r is equal to n, x becomes 1. So now see, the limit will change. We will have limit n tends to infinity 1 by n and integration from 0 to 1 log x dx. So now we have to integrate this log x. So we will take two functions here, 1 and log x, and use by parts to do this. So let's start. Limit n tends to infinity, so 1 by n, we will have log x integration of 1 dx minus integration of differentiation of log x into integration of 1 dx, so whole of whole dx. So this is, so here when we solve it, we will get x log x, this becomes x minus x into 1 by x. So this will get 1 by x into x. This will get cancelled. So next step we will have x log x minus x. So now we will put the value of the limits. From 0 to 1. So this will be 1 log x minus 1 minus 0 log 0 minus 0. So this can be considered log 0 is infinity. So 0 into a large number, we can think of it like this, will be equal to 0 only. So here we are just assuming this. So we get 0 into log 1. This will be equal to minus 1. Log L is equal to minus 1. So that means L is equal to e raised to power minus 1 equal to 1 by e. So this is the answer. So I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।